Hi, my name is Sofia and I'm 12 years old. I like listening to music and reading books. My favorite subject is math. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Yanis and I'm 13 years old. In my free time, I go swimming and I listen to rock music. My favorite lesson is physical education and ancient Greek. I love to work with you.
Hello, I'm Delphina. I am attending the first class of the secondary school. My favorite lessons are art, gymnastics, and tennis. In my free time, I have volleyball lessons, and when I haven't, I'm hanging out with my friends. I like all kinds of music and I love dancing.
Hello, my name is John. My favorite subjects are history and PE. In my free time, I play basketball and sometimes football.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I go to the first class of the junior high school of Egala. I love listening to music. As for my favorite subject, I like ancient Greek. I'm happy to participate in this project. Many kisses.
Hi, my name is Sergis. I'm 12 years old. And I like playing football and basketball. My favorite lessons are physics and history. I also like rock music. I'm happy to work with you in this project.
Hi, my name is Zoe. I'm 13 years old. My hobbies are playing basketball and volleyball. I enjoy listening to music and reading books. I also like playing PC games. My favorite subject is history.
Hello, I'm Manolis. My hobbies are going for a walk, listening to pop music and playing football. My favorite lessons are English and maths. I'm looking forward to starting our new project.
Hello, my name is Catherine and I'm 12 years old. I live in Egale, Athens. My favorite subjects are ancient Greek and math. When I grow up, I want to become an architect. And I also like pop music.
Hi everybody, I'm Marina from Greece and I live in Egale. 14 years old, my hobby is listening to music and my favorite singer is Justin Bieber. Through the tutoring program, students from different countries get in touch.
Hello, I am Odysseus from Greece. My hobbies are playing the violin and drawing. I also like listening to pop music. I am happy to participate in this project.